Okay, hello everybody, welcome to my class. So let's start our lesson. I want to show you some pictures. Do you want to see some pictures? Okay, so this is Istanbul. Okay, Istanbul. So what can you see about this in the picture? Okay, cheap. Okay, calm and traditional. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, let's see the other picture. So this is New York. Yes, thank you very much. New York, right? So what can we say about New York if we put it in front of Istanbul? We can say expensive. Very good. Okay, expensive. Also noisy, right? Yeah. New York is noisy. And also we have modern. Yes, modern. Very good. Okay. We have modern. Modern. Okay. Alright, so today class we are going to do something together. We are going to learn how to compare two things or two people having two adjectives, two different adjectives. So we are going to do the comparison. The comparison. Okay, so let me model some examples here. Okay, so for example we can say Istanbul is cheaper than New York. New York, okay, or New York is more expensive, or New York is bigger than Istanbul. Okay, so here with the adjective with one syllable, cheap, only one syllable, we add er. With adjectives with more than one syllable, expansive, three syllables, so we add more. Of course there are some exceptions that I will explain, but for this rule is for in general. Okay, generally it's like that. For example, here we can say, okay, for example, expensive, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we have also the y. You remember from present simple, we turn it into I, E, and we add R. For example, busy, busier. Repeat after me. Busy, busier. Expensive, more expensive. Okay, we have some exceptions here. We can say good. It's gooder. No, it's better. Better. Repeat after me. Better. Okay. Bad. Better. You are so close. Thank you, Mohammed. But it's worse. Worse. Repeat after me. Worse. Better. Okay? That's better. Alright, so now we are going to model some phrases together, okay? For example, I want each student to put half of the sentence. For example, student A will say Tokyo is, student B will say bigger than Samsung. Okay, student A will say the half, student B will say the other half. Ali, what are we gonna do? Yes, amazing, thank you very much. Okay, class, now I also, after doing this, let's check our worksheet. Let's check our hands out. Let's do it together. Number 1, better. Thank you very much. Number 2, badder. Do you remember what I said? Bad, worse. Bad, worse. Thank you very much. Okay, class. Now, let's work together. Alright? Let's do something together. Okay? So, what we are going to do here is we are going to work in pairs. So, each pair is going to compare a city to our city, to the city we live in, and we are going to guess the city that you are talking about in 6 sentences. In 6 phrases, you are going to tell us about a city, compare it to the city that we live in, Samsun, and then we are going to guess which city is that. For example, it is bigger than Samsun. It is more beautiful than Samsun. It is more traditional than etc. Then the other team or the other students are going to guess which sentence or which city are we talking about. Okay? Okay, class, let's start. Let's work together. I see my beautiful students working together, my hardworking students comparing cities to other cities. Maybe you can create your own city one day. Thank you very much. Yes, Ali, maybe. Okay. Okay, class, that was an amazing activity to do together. Thank you very much. And now, I want you for the next lesson to compare yourself in terms of physical appearance and characteristic or personality to a famous person that you like. For example, Rihanna is taller than me. Rihanna is more famous than me, etc. Then I am going to evaluate your homeworks. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next lesson.